Magandang umaga, ma'am. Vision, an open leading educational institution upholding excellent, driving and value leading leaders for the socio-economic development of society. Mission, the institution pursues innovative approaches in education to enhance instruction, research, and community involvement. It is the pledges to provide the learners a curricular framework to instill creative and critical thinking in a changing world. Strengthening of culture, environmental care, and values formation are inculcated to guarantee genuine transformation. Yan lamang po. Maraming salamat, ma'am.